Welcome to the Politics Watch. This is Sir P. No, this video won't be very long because we're going to put out a PIA red notice. You know how Interpol have red notice? We're going to put out one. We're looking for a suspect. You see, throughout this whole Kevin Smith, aka Kevin Epstein madness, what me really interested in is one, how the accident occurred, because based on how that road set up, I still try to figure out how the van end up in a Kevin Smith side. Next thing more I know, right, is why it almost come like the van that exists. Or the people them where in the van that exists. We hear about Kevin Smith, we hear about the officers, but what's the condition of the driver within the van? Because to all that the van they mash up, we're supposed to hear something about the driver, or at least hear more. It's kind of spooky, so we had to put out a PIA red notice and we'll finally have a suspect. But before we go any further, before me show you the suspect, right, I want you to help me catch him. I want you to look on the car again. Right? I want you to look on the impact. Right? Where would I reach? Remember Kevin Smith sitting at the back? You might want him seatbelt, see me? And it looked like he don't even know what lick him until it was too late. Now if you haven't seen the videos, they're on patreon.com, you can check them out. Link is in the description. You can see the full video as the people in my video around the car and all that. But look on your screen. You see, it's a serious leak that car get. The car could have leaked anyway. I mean, the pickup van could have leaked anyway. But it just so happened to leak the exact spot, right, where Kevin Smith would have it. And you have to be a physics student if you imagine the type of forces, right, where Kevin Smith body and the people in the vehicle, right, with the experience, but especially Kevin Epstein. Look on the car. Seriously, that is not a 10 mile per hour, 20 mile per hour leak. That is not a 30 kilometers or a 40 kilometers per hour leak. Look on the back of the car, on the trunk area. Look, the car mash up. So the driver who slamming on him, we should be hearing more about that driver. Again, asterisk. Yes, we know it could all be an accident. I'm just saying the people them are ask question. Actually, let me rephrase. Me ask question because so far people mostly talk about the fact that him never handcuff and him never handcuff. That would have been the least of Kevin Epstein's problem. Seriously, this car I get. Look on the front door. Warm to the driver of the van. Look on the screen, that's the van. You see the condition of that van? Now imagine if you make a van like that, that look like a Ford Ranger. If a Ford Ranger bend up like that, and if you make this car bend up like that, you understand, right, the magnitude of the situation. After doing some research, putting out a PIA red notice, which is more effective than the Interpol red notice, we finally managed to get a suspect. I'm going to show you right now. If you ever see this individual on the road, if you see them, even if my head in the bush, maybe I look for Davian Brian and buck up on this individual, please get in touch. When you look on your screen right now, here is the suspect. See him there? He was last seen escaping the scene, right, in this blue. You know, see them kind of vehicle, you know. And you show you watch an accident of a vehicle, you know, say some fool is going on, you know. Somebody get take away one body in the back or something. If you see me, you know, say the man is a dopey maker. You see him both, see? Hang out of the vehicle. Now, the JCF is warning civilians. If you were to come across, right, this unicorn, don't play a hero and engage him yourself. The bother about no jungle justice and not go mob, nothing like that. Right? The JCF wants you to know this suspect is extremely horned and dangerous. Get it? Horned and dangerous. Nobody take show off, right? I'm gonna make that the hand end up in your chest. Because most a unicorn did I drive the pickup. All me I hear about is one to the police, then one, of course, from to Kevin Epstein. But me I said that driver would be in a bad condition unless, I don't know, right, the safety features on the Ford Ranger must be exceptional, 5-star. Right, 5-star crash test, I don't know. But telling I already say, all me can do is ask 2 questions. This is very hush-hush. Right. Or some people were normally quick to get info. Man afraid. Some people at one time you could have said, yo, what going on so? And get back an answer in a 5 minutes. Now, you look like man under them bed. Right. With the light turned on the side, Mr. In a yesterday video, everybody afraid. Play spooky. It's a unicorn that driving. Right. A unicorn managed to Kevin Epstein, the man with too much secret, too much name, too much info, left from St. James because even the government of Jamaica accepts it, right? Them couldn't trust, right, to make that process start in St. James. He have too much links down there. Here, the DPP say, well, it got biased either way. Maybe people don't like him or people like him too much. So Kevin Smith, aka Kevin Epstein, linked too big a movie. So I have to move go town. I understand the reasoning. But then I hear the lawyer say, they never know say them a move him. So the lawyer don't know say him a get moved, and the next thing, lawyer hear, client dead. And this unicorn managed to pilot a Ford Ranger in the exact same spot, which part, right, Kevin Epstein there. All I'm saying is it's spooky, and I'm gonna keep on saying it. Right. If you see this unicorn anyway, right, link up on IG at Politics Watch or email. Right. But remember, do not engage. And if you see the van with free magic money, don't walk up to it and go get tricked. Right? Because you might go see the free magic and go like, you know, no sense. And next thing you know, you disappear. Now, I get to understand there was a third vehicle, but that vehicle look like, say, after the initial 2 collide, it go on and lick that third one there. The real slamming, right, happened between the Ford Ranger and the vehicle with Kevin Epstein that traveling. One police officer, constable, unfortunately lose his life. Me yesterday next to critical. Me I hope them pull through because, of course, first and foremost, we don't want nobody lose them life in them circumstances. But you know, maybe them see something, and if them see something, maybe them can say something. But then again, is that likely to happen? I wouldn't put no money upon it. About 2 more days left. Remember me telling us that the only way this get crazier is if on the 3rd day, right, we used to Kevin Smith a walk on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, or somebody spot him on flankers, right, or somebody spot him right down on Norwood. That is the only way this can get crazier. I'm still under my bed, you know. I don't know about you know. Right. When you can walk road, right, when you can do what you want to do, but me under my bed with my flashlight in my face. It's too crazy. People are like me and I say, Sir P, you have the goat mouth, a goat mouth you have, Sir P. Goat? Wrong animal. Unicorn mouth. Because the only thing spooky when we first started the messages in my coming, as you can imagine, I was being flooded and all me I see a cult pastor dead, cult pastor. And I was thinking, well, I want next one. No man, it look like this circle I get rid of each other. Because me I say look like, you know, because then all I'm Kevin Epstein and probably want to get out the money and can probably affect, you know, probably can hurt him and maybe we use as a witness down the road. All if you realize that Kevin Epstein himself. And from my sister Kevin Epstein, I just know say RIP inbox. Because I know say inbox done for. I'll know when I finish read messages. Me I try to reach out to people. Some people will normally have info. They must say right now even them lost. Even man who me the things say have links. Man who me thinks they could have get info. I say even them lost. Even after them system. Right, nobody now want to say nothing. Of course, you know the usual. Yeah, man, I saw it go, you know. Them did have to keep him quiet and them did have to. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about intel. I'm talking about this right here, so. this is of the highest order. We never see so much big man afraid yet. We don't know if a fear of the unknown or fear of the known, because it can be fear of the known. For example, you know say clansman them terrible, so you know about them and fear them, you know, do certain things. Or it can be the fact that you don't know what go on, but you know say it's spooky, so you don't even want to open your mouth, and then the wrong man, right? Even your co-worker go to hear and go tell about them and I say, yo, so and so ask questions, you know. And next thing you hear, found floating in the rear cobra. It's real spooky. Get in touch if you see that unicorn. Dangerous individual. You make out a iron. Patience one. Big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. Whole life. Ultra squad. Stay circling. Bless.